In this video, I'm going to be revealing the real way to make money online because I don't want you guys to be leaving money on the table. So if you are thinking about making money online, definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about the real way to make money online. Is this something that you would like to do? Okay. Chances are that nowadays you are watching a YouTube video just like this one, or maybe you are on Instagram or TikTok, Facebook, and you check on a short form video. It can be a reel if you're on Facebook, Facebook reel, Instagram reel, or short form video on TikTok, and other social networks in the future. Maybe you're blogging. That's also a possibility. But how do you actually make money online? Well, there are different things that you need to take into consideration. Let me share with you my screen because you're going to be illustrating this. Okay, first of all, okay, you need to have a product. Okay, I'm going to put here a P for product. Okay, this can be your own product or these can be someone else's product. Okay. In my case, when I get started, I didn't have my own product. So I was doing something that we call affiliate marketing, which is basically we have someone who have a product or service. It can be a physical product. It can be a digital product. It can be a service as well. And here we have a customer, someone who is looking for information about this, or he or she is looking for a way in which they can solve this problem. So here are you going to be you, which is going to be the affiliate. Okay. And you're going to be telling this person, hey, here I have this review or this information so you can solve this problem. Okay. This is the product that is going to be solving it. The person make the purchase and you're going to be earning a commission. Okay. It can be low ticket, high ticket, or even recurring income. Yeah. You can actually refer someone and that person, can be, uh, helping you earn money month after month after month, as long as they are using the product or the service. It can be a mentorship, membership. So this is a great way to get started. There are tons uh, websites out there in which you can find products like ClickBank, GVSU, Water Plus, Commission John, and even private networks. Okay, so first, again, you need to have your own product, your own service, because if someone is willing to pay for an ad on your social network, it doesn't matter how big or how small it is, it's because they are making money with a product. Remember, this can be a physical product. It can be a digital product. Okay. It can be a service. Okay. So what else do you need? Well, you need to understand that people are not with their wallet and with their credit cards like, hey, I'm going to sit in front of the computer or I'm going to be checking on I'm going to be using the internet on my phone and whatever shows up, I'm going to be making a purchase. So you need what we call a leader funnel with an opt-in form. So the person is going to be typing in their name and their email address. Okay. And then you are going to be recommending them the product or service. What I usually do, it's something that we call a bridge page. Okay, this can be a video or this can be a written format in which you're going to be introducing this person to the product or service that you are actually recommending. Okay, so let me put this in another color. So this is the product or service that you are actually recommending. So this is how you are going to be earning money. The cool thing about this is since you have their name, email address, you can do what we call a follow-up. Okay, so you can be sending them information. This can be valuable information, value info. This can be information about the product, their service, or you can also recommend other products and other services. Okay, not just one. Okay, remember that this is actually a real business, so you need to have several products. Okay, and you're gonna be talking to them in their language. Okay, just in case that right now you are like, Diana, okay, I'm interested in this, but how do I actually get started? Okay, I'm going to be leaving a link below if you want step by step. Okay, but remember, I'm going to be sharing also some information here. Okay, so the top three niches right now are health, wealth, and relationships. Diana, does that means that if I'm on the gaming niche, I'm not going to be earning money? No, not at all. You're going to be earning money. Okay. So how you can actually build this? Okay. There is, you can use Aweber, which is the email autoresponder that I'm actually using. I'm going to be leaving it below so you can open a free account. You can use System.io. Also, I'm going to be leaving a link below. They're an all-in-one marketing solution. You can start for free. They're not going to be even ask you for your credit card information. Okay. And you can set this up without knowing any technical knowledge required or whatsoever. Okay. So as a business, okay, your business can evolve. Chances are that maybe you're going to start as an affiliate marketer, but in the future, you're going to be developing your own product. Okay. So you're going to have your email list and you can let them know like, hey, you know what? I'm not just an affiliate. I also have my own thing. Okay. I also have my own thing. So you can be sending them more information. Okay. About this. So I want you guys to consider this as the right way to really make money online. Okay. I know that there are people out there who are just using, like, for example, Google AdSense. Like, for example, here on this YouTube channel, I monetize my videos with Google Ads, well, with YouTube ads. But I'm also using it, to recommend other people's products and service. Okay. So that's actually how you are going to be building your business, how you can actually recommend people products and how you can actually start earning money online in the right way. So again, if you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. And I see you guys on the next video.